Hi, I'm PJ Edwards from Meadow Neighborhood Eatery in San Antonio, Texas. And today we're gonna make our delicious fried chicken. So here we got some boneless and bone-in chicken. First, we're gonna hit it with a little of our house chicken spice. Next, we'll take some hot sauce. Just use your favorite hot sauce. We use one that we make in-house here. We let this marinate for about 12 hours. So next, we're gonna make the batter. We do 3 different flours. We got AP flour, rice flour, cornstarch, and just a little bit of salt. And then we'll go in with just water. Here, you want it to just barely coat it like that. The thinner it is on there, the crispier the chicken's gonna be at the end. We like the oil around 340 degrees. And when we drop it in, we're just gonna kind of move it back and forth like this. All right, now we get them nice golden brown, delicious. I'm gonna take them to that 165 internal temp. When everybody's ready to eat, we got the delicious fried chicken. We got our La Piña hot sauce here. It's made with some beautiful lemon ají peppers. And it's a delicious kind of island feel you can sprinkle on your fried chicken. There you go. That's fried chicken at Meadow in San Antonio.